All right, these are not numbered, so I'm going to be going across the page. So the first one is 99 divided by -11. And typically, if there's an operation before a negative, a lot of times we'll put it in parentheses so that it doesn't end up looking like you've got 99 minus 11. No, it's not quite 1,000, but you'll see that most of them should be pretty quick. So 99 divided by 11 is 9. And we have a positive and a negative. If the signs are different, our answer is negative. The next one, 10 times -2. Well, 10 times 2 is 20. We have a positive and a negative. Our answer is negative. 50 divided by -5. 50 divided by 5 is 10. A positive divided by a negative. The signs are different, so our answer is negative. I'm going to change the next one. What if it were -6 divided by -6? Well, if we take 6 and divide it by 6, we get 1. And since I have a negative and a negative, that gives us a positive 1. Negative times a negative, or negative divided by a negative, is a positive. Okay, so we've got to remember that if you take a positive and multiply it by a positive, we get a positive. If we take a negative and multiply it by a negative, we get a positive. But if we take a positive and multiply it by a negative, we get a negative. If we take a negative and multiply it by a positive, we get a negative. So the next one, 96 divided by -12. 96 divided by -12. What do y'all think that it would be? Okay, good. -8. 96 divided by 12 is 8. We have a positive divided by a negative, so we get a negative answer. Okay. 55 divided by -5. What do you think the answer is for that one? Okay, correct. 55 divided by 5 is 11. And since the signs are different, our answer is negative. All right, on the next one, what if I had -9 times -4? -9 times -4. Okay, correct. 9 times 4 is 36. When the signs are the same, our answer is positive. A negative times a negative is a positive. A negative times a negative is a positive. Okay, so really these problems are just knowing your times tables and then looking to see what the sign is and giving the correct sign for the answer. All right, I'm going to make a slight change here because I don't want all of them to be the exact same. All right, so now I'm going to give you some to work. So I'm going to turn that over to you, and I want you to work those problems. Good. All right, who's still working on this? All right, let me show you the answers to that. And then we've got some more we're going to do.
If you liked this video, please click on the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please click on the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when new videos are posted, please click the bell.